$15 for this little thing. No, but these are cute. Oh, these were $21. So I'm back at the same shoe store. I'm gonna get my bread. If you guys don't know by now, I'm obsessed with bread, so everything on that side is cheap. They're cheap, so yeah, I'm gonna check them out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Cece here. Welcome if you're new. Hey, if you've been here for a while. I'm starting another vlog. I'm going shopping. I'm feeling cute in my shades and all. So I'll see you guys in the car. Okay guys, as I said, I'm going shopping. I'm going on a little errand. I'm going to, I guess, window shop. I want to look for some stuff. I'm trying to make some kids Easter basket, but trying to see what I could find locally, so tonight when I order the stuff online, I know what to buy and what not to get. So that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, I'm gonna use this GPS, so I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. I don't like wearing shades, don't mind me, especially with makeup, because I don't like the circle that it gives you. But yeah, let me look up this location for this home fabric place, and then I'm gonna go to the dollar store, see what they have. All right. Okay guys, we're in home fabrics. Find some Easter eggs. $2.99. That's really good for a pack of 36. Okay. And then you have some golden eggs over here. You have some stuffed toys. The stuffed toys ain't it because they're like $15. But it's a little thing. No. But these are cute. Oh, these were $21. So the stuffed toys probably get away. They're cute. Oh, this mermaid. Grinch. Okay. Oh, these baskets are cute too. How much are these? $6. Is this a pack? 6-pack, large size. And this for food, eh? $7. I should guess some of these. They're $2.25. Oh, look at the bunny reef. Never seen those. Oh, egg reef, I guess. Easter vibes, Easter vibes. Okay. Oh, this is cute. You could write a little message on that. But I'm looking for like toys in bulk that I could buy. Anyways guys, I'll look around and see some more stuff. Hey guys. Oh, my makeup is oily. Hours later. But I'm pulling up at the mall right now. I'm about to go looking for another work shoes, because something happened that leave me with little to no shoes, and I still haven't told you guys that story time as yet. Oh, it's crazy, but I'll tell you guys sometime in the future, I guess. but the only work shoes that I'm working with right now is the one that I purchased like 3 weeks ago, and all my clothes that I have can't wear with that specific shoe, so I'm gonna see what I can find. I just need a little flat shoes, you know, and next time I'll get a heel. I'll get some heels, but I'm not looking for heels today. So I'm back at the same shoe store. That's the last pair. Always. Okay guys, so I end up getting both shoes. I got a flat and I got a heels. Sacrifice, okay? I need them. I'm gonna get my bread. If you guys don't know by now, I'm obsessed with bread, so I like pastry. Pretzel. Okay, you guys, can I get the almond nut pretzel? I think that's, yeah. I'm getting the almond again, guys. That was good. I tried the raisin afterwards, but I didn't like it, so I'm going back to the almond. Okay guys, so we're back home and I did do a few shopping, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Remember, I was looking for Easter stuff, so I have a bag full of items. First, okay, show you guys this ribbon there. I got this ribbon, Easter theme ribbon. I got 3 feet. I'm sure this is not enough, but I'm going to look for another set. How much was this? Let me get my receipt. That was at the Homes Fabric, the first place that I went to. Homes Fabric, yeah. So that ribbon was $5.25, okay? And this, yes, this 3D basket, not price on it. This was $1.99, so that's why I got this. Trying to find less expensive stuff, okay? I only got one, and then I got this, and it was damaged a bit, so it's $2.99. I don't even see any damage. It's just kind of dirty. You gotta wipe it out. So that was $2.99, and then I went to the food store and I saw this 2 packs for $2.24. You can't beat 2 pack for $2.24. Well, you can, but not in the Bahamas. So yeah, I'm gonna do the boys basket in these, the girl basket in these, of course, and then I need maybe 4 more because I'm not trying to make too many baskets. And then I got some jump ropes. I think I'm gonna put these in the boys basket. This was $2.19 each. Yeah, this was at the food store. This was also from Homes Fabric. These are pretty reasonable, I guess. It's 6 for $2.99, so 6 for $3, and they open, you know, you could fill them up with candies. That's what I'm going to do. And they have some smaller eggs. Okay, I'll show you guys in the video what they're working with. Also got some what are these? Beach balls. Yeah, so this is a Minnie Mouse theme ball, and this is a Cars cartoon beach ball. So one for the boy, one for the girl. I don't want to put the exact same thing in each basket, so I only purchased 2 beach balls, and they were $4.40. and it's at a discounted price, so I got it for $189 plus VAT, which brought it to $209, so $209 each. So for something for both, so that ain't bad, that ain't too bad. I end up buying these just in case, but this is large, this is a big, probably bigger than this, much bigger. So I said I was gonna cut it in half and use them for the basket, but I think I'll just save these for when I'm doing other baskets and still buy the packs online, because I see the packs online for like $7 and it comes with 10 or 12, so I'm gonna buy that. I also got this at Home Spot. This I got at the food store. This is Jack and Balls. I don't know if people still play these, but these were fun growing up. This was $2.70. So one of this is going in the girl. And then this is also going in the girl. This is $3.29. This is so cute. It's a ring and studs set. So this is cute. It should be nice. I like these. As I said, I still have to pick up a few more things. I think I'm gonna go on that new website that I see everybody shopping off. You gotta get into it and save some money, because everything on that site is reasonable. Okay, reasonable. Not even reasonable. Everything on that site is cheap. They're cheap, so yeah, I'm gonna check them out and get some stuff. Hopefully they reach in time, because I'm gonna purchase it, send it to the States, and then my mom is going to the States, so she'll get those and then she'll put it on the boat and send it to me. Yeah, but the site that I'm going to buy from is Temu. I don't know how you pronounce it. Temu. Temu. Yeah, so that site, everything you could think of will be on that site. Baby item, adults, kitchen, decor, bedroom, bathroom, everything you can think of. Anything, kids item, toys, shoes, bag, hair. So guys, stay tuned. I'm doing a haul. I'm gonna do a Temu haul and I'll show you guys what I got. So I'm excited for that. So tonight I'm gonna purchase those things and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the shoes that I got are, I think this is, let's start with the flats. I said I got black. I need to get some colors. Honestly, I was trying to get some tan, some nudes, but they just didn't have it in my size. So I said, you know what, let me get it in black. This is just a nice little flat shoes. Now I could wear these with my skirts, you know. I could wear these with my skirts and I could wear my heels, but it's cute. The shoes that I purchased before, I can't really wear that with skirts. It doesn't look good to me. I don't think anyone would wear it with a skirt. Anyways, maybe it's just me, but I also got these heels. It's gonna be a work shoe, so I wanna be comfortable. So it's still one of those big chunky heels. And it's not too high. I'm good with this length, height. Yeah. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. I like it. That's the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy coming on the road with me and seeing what I pick up for my Easter basket and picking up my shoes for work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join the family. We appreciate everyone who is watching, liking, or subscribing. And we'll see you guys in the next video.